So Ash is out of the house right now, and I wanted to make her a special sweet treat for when she gets back. I'm going to make some keto cheesecake cookies. And this is perfect timing because my Keto Chow, My Chow box just showed up a little while ago. You guys can go on Keto Chow's website. I've got my link down below so you can get a discount. You can sign up for your own My Chow box and get Keto Chow of all different varieties every month. But I'm going to see what they sent me, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my cheesecake cookies, which can be done with Keto Chow, or if you don't have Keto Chow, you can use other protein powders or flavorings or whatever it is you like. I'm going to look in the My Chow box. Let's see what we've got. Let's make some keto cheesecake cookies. So we have maple waffle, pina colada. I have a couple salted caramel. Ash really likes salted caramel. Maybe we'll choose that one. I have lemon meringue. If you like lemon, that would make some amazing cookies, I'm sure. We have banana. I have a banana bread recipe that would probably go really well in. Chocolate mint. That would also make some great cookies, I'm sure. Apple pie. I have another idea of what I might do with that one. And then my large bag this month is raspberry cheesecake. That's going to be really, really good, I bet. I've got a whole bunch of this I can experiment with now. So let's pick one of these flavors and let's go ahead and make some of those cheesecake cookies. So I think because Ash likes salted caramel so much, I'm going to do some salted caramel cheesecake cookies. This is going to be really fantastic. I'm going to show you guys the process. This is a real simple recipe, but really, really great. I'm going to put all of the ingredients aside from this packet of Keto Chow on screen for you so you'll know how to do it. And of course, the recipe card will be available on my website, which is also linked down below. Guys, make sure to go sign up for your Keto Chow, My Chow box so that you can have all of these fun flavors every month to play with. Let's go ahead and make some cheesecake cookies. So that is the base of these cookies that's going to make them cream cheese cookies. I'm going to use 1 packet of salted caramel Keto Chow. That's why I only used the amount of allulose that I did to sweeten this. If you're using allulose or some other sweetener, you can adjust it to taste. If you're using something like Keto Chow that's already sweetened, you don't necessarily have to sweeten it at all because this is already sweet, but if you like it a little bit sweeter, you can add in that sweetener. If you're using something that is unflavored or unsweetened as your flavoring compound for this, you may want to adjust and add more sweetener. That's entirely up to you. I'm going to add 1 packet of Keto Chow. If you don't use Keto Chow, you could get any kind of flavored protein powder and use roughly 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup, depending on how strong that flavor is. And if it gets a little too thick, you might just add a couple of tablespoons of water, but should work pretty well because we're looking for a cookie dough type texture. 1 package of Keto Chow ought to do it. Now we're just going to take a mixer and put it all together. I have this fancy handy dandy little easy clean beater combo on this particular mixer, but whatever you've got, mix it up until it is a homogeneous dough. Now that our cookie dough mixture is mixed up, it's going to start to thicken as it sits. So I'm actually going to throw this in the refrigerator while I grab a cookie sheet and some parchment paper and get that all set up. That can sit for 5 to 10 minutes to start to thicken up. It'll be a lot easier to work with. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to scoop these out into cookies. You should get 12 of them, so it's a perfect dozen on your cookie sheet. And we're going to put this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until just starting to get a little golden brown on top. So that's 15 minutes at 350. They smell incredible. They look great. They're gonna shrink slightly as they cool. That's totally fine. We're gonna let these cool down until they are ready to taste, and then I'm gonna double check one, make sure they're ready to go for when Ash gets home. The cookies are not down to room temperature just yet, but they're cool enough. Let's go ahead and test one of these things out. They smell incredible. These are amazing. Keto Chow did a great job on the salted caramel flavor for sure. And doing these cheesecake cookies, they are moist, they are soft, but they are bready. They are super tasty. And as you see, they're easy to make. Guys, make sure you go to the link down below, test out some Keto Chow with the My Chow monthly box. I'm gonna have that link down there for you so you can go get all the Keto Chow you would like, plus a discount. And I know you're going to enjoy everything from Keto Chow. I love their stuff because they're just a great company. And if this kind of thing works for the version of proper human diet that you like to eat, it's a really great product. Make sure you go try out these cookies, whether you use Keto Chow or not. Enjoy the occasional treat like this without all of that standard American diet junk and guilt. All right, Ash is home. She is going to taste the cookies I made for her.
Yes, I was gone, but I have returned, and I hear there are cookies.
Yeah, so these are salted caramel cheesecake cookies with Keto Chow.
Oh, these are going to be good. I'm excited. I came home at the right time. Oh, they smell really good. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. They're soft. Great flavor. What a good cookie. If someone just handed this to me at like a party or something, I would just think it's some type of a cookie that someone made at their house. Amazing flavor, great texture. They're good. They're good. I'm glad I got home in time. These are awesome. Great job, babe. Great job.
Thank you. And of course, Mel has her own version of a cookie right now. She's having a good time too.
You know that bone has to be good if she doesn't care the fact that I have cookies.
That's right.
All the girls get treats in the house today, huh?
Yep.
Awesome. Well, babe, these are amazing. Y'all got to make these.
Winner cookie dinner. Thank you guys for watching. This is Chris Cook in Nashville. I'm going to give some of these to my beautiful wife, Ash, later. You guys eat your meat, maybe occasionally your Keto Chow cheesecake cookies. Love your life. I'll see you here in the kitchen for a bunch more crazy recipes. And if you like these Keto Chow cookies, you got to go check out this recipe right over here. Man, that's good.